Hey there, it's Amber from youneedanamber.com. I'm so glad you're here today. On this channel, I talk about all ways to make your business better, and usually that means creating systems and processes so that you can be way more efficient. So that's what I do. I come into businesses, I find the gaps, and then I create systems and processes so that we fill the gaps and everything goes much easier. Not only does this create a sense of calm for you in your business, but it makes everything go much more smoothly for everyone else. One of the questions I get asked all the time is, but what system should I create first? Because let me tell you, friend, there are so many systems. I mean, there's onboarding systems and offboarding systems and financial systems and calendar systems and client acquisition systems. I mean, the systems list goes on and on and on. This is what I tell people. Start where you are. Don't go back in the past and try to recreate a system that you did a year ago or even last week. Start right now. Start with exactly where you are, and let me give you an example why. If you are going to create a system around writing a blog post, instead of thinking about the last blog post that you wrote and all of the steps that you did the last time you wrote a blog post, write a blog post right now and go through the steps that you would go through. You're going to think of an idea. You're going to write the first draft. You're going to write the second draft. You're going to get all of your assets like an image, or is there a podcast that goes along with it? Is there a YouTube video that goes along with it? You're going to get all your assets together. You're going to format the blog post, and then you're going to publish it according to whatever schedule you use to publish your blog post. So that is just a very brief example of a way that you could write a blog post in the moment, but that's how you're going to create the system. Don't go back into the past and do something you've already done. Do it in the moment where you are, because it'll be fresh in your mind and you'll make sure that you get more steps down. The second way that will help you create systems in the moment is to do it over and over. So if you create a system on how to write a new blog post, when you're doing it right now, you're getting the blog post out into the world. So you're actually doing something that's productive, but you're also creating a system and documentation and SOPs and all the other things that go along with it at the same time. Then when it's time to write the next blog post, you already have a starting point. You already know where you're starting, and you can make edits and modifications from there, but you're not starting with a blank page next time. Start where you are. Get the work done that actually needs to get done and make the system around what you're doing. Don't go back into the past. Don't try to remember, because you're not going to. You're not going to remember what you did 3 weeks ago. I don't even remember what I wore yesterday. You want me to remember what I did 3 weeks ago? No, thank you. Start where you are. Do the thing that's right in front of you that needs to get done anyways, and make a system around that. If you're thinking to yourself, Amber, I don't even know where to start. There are too many things happening in my business on a day-to-day basis. It just feels chaotic. Head on over to youneedanamber.com/quiz. I created the Priority Planner quiz. It's simple, 9 questions. Fill out the quiz, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to get started on right now to make your business even better. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel today, friend. I'll see you next time. Bye.